guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what my 9-month-old and I guess I will be eating today. Every day is obviously a little bit different, but I thought I'd just kind of give you a snapshot of today, and today is Tuesday. Jackson is having some blueberry protein pancakes, which are the Kodiak pancakes, and he's currently just playing with it. Oh, bless you. Then I have some eggs, toast, and my coffee, and we're just gonna sit here and have a lovely breakfast. If you're interested in watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and let's eat together all day. Please stop throwing food on the floor. Jackson! What, you want me to get it? I know you see more here. There you go. Don't do it. Jackson! Hello. So it is almost 11 a.m. Jackson already had a nap, and I am having Similac Mom Shake. These are so good. I was so addicted to them when Jackson was like, I think Jackson's first 3 months. When I'm nursing all through the night, it was something I literally had like every day at 5 a.m. But now I buy them if they're on sale, or we'll go to Costco now and buy a big pack of like a nutritional shake. So Kirkland brand has a vanilla one, there's Booster, or any of the ones like that. Those are just nice to have like on the go. So I will have that maybe every other day or every day, depending how I feel. Ooh, I think I have the Kirkland one. Is the Kirkland version. So it's a nutrition shake, 9 grams of protein, 23 essential vitamins and minerals, trans fat free and gluten free. This one has like a more like protein shake kind of taste to it, whereas this one is for breastfeeding moms. 12 grams of protein, iron, folic acid, vitamin D. A little bit more towards a mummy if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. And I'm gonna give Jackson a little snack. I think we're gonna cut up some apple, and then depending how good he is, we might go out to circle time. He is so clingy, like so clingy. We will try to cut them up into finger like slices. Sometimes he'll eat them, sometimes he'll throw them. Oh, yummy. And I will have some too. Watching me eat. Yum. Really finished. He likes to chomp up all his apple and like spit them out. He probably eats like half. Hey! You have a little mustache or apple beard. What is that? Whoa! 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 All right, let's get you out. Right, so we are on our way out. I'm gonna pack me a pouchy just in case, and then some crackers. He'll probably eat one of these there. This one sometimes, yes, sometimes no. And I'm just gonna bring it in my little backpack here. It's technically not a baby bag, but I don't need a lot of things. I just need to be hands-free, so we have that. And I was gonna bring water, but I just boiled water, and I'm not gonna be putting that in a plastic bottle, so we will survive for now, but usually I do bring a little bit of water. And for me, I'm just gonna put 2 granola bars in my bag, because I do tend to get quite hungry when we are at circle time. Hey guys, all right, we are back from circle time. Jackson had a pouch and one Baby Mum pack, which I knew, and I ate both my granola bars because I was hungry. I really got to start making like snacks for myself when I go out. So Jackson's down for a nap. I'm hoping for at least like another hour, But we're gonna make some lasagna, so I'm gonna get all my ingredients out and prep that. Okay, so first we're gonna chop up all my ingredients. I'm gonna be defrosting beef because I totally forgot to do that. So I have an onion, some zucchini, and mushrooms. And then I'm going to grate some cheese for the top of my lasagna. I also have ricotta cheese, and then my noodles, and then all my herbs I'm gonna add later, and then obviously my tomato sauce. So the tomato sauce that I'm using is from Costco, Simply Natural organic tomato basil. I pretty much just make like spaghetti sauce and then I put it in the lasagna. So let's start doing that. So now that the sauce is cooking, I'm just gonna let that simmer, and then I'm going to prepare my pasta dish. Pasta dish that I use is pretty much glass baking pan or casserole dish. And what I like about it is that it comes with a lid. So when we're done tonight, I don't have to transfer it into a container or put saran wrap. I can just pop the lid on top and we can have leftovers for another day. I've already grated my cheese, so this cheese will only be on the top. I did do quite a bit of cheese, but we like cheese, and Jackson can even eat some of the shredded bits as well. And then for my noodles, cheese, I'm gonna be using the No Name brand Oven Ready. So you don't have to cook, you don't have to pre-boil the noodles, you can just place it on top and yeah, do that. Oh, and I think I'm also gonna add a little bit of spinach into my sauce just to add more veggies, you know, because everybody needs more veggies. While my sauce is boiling, I'm gonna have some lunch. I made some chicken soup with, I really should be eating lunch like a lot earlier, like 12 o'clock, not at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You get so busy during your day with the baby that I like do forget to eat. Like I eat breakfast because I'm obviously starving in the morning, but after that it's like shove a piece of bread in my mouth, have a shake, a granola bar, like nothing whole, you know? Here's my sauce. I'm gonna turn off my air vent. So this is my sauce. Now, if you were doing spaghetti, you could literally just make this your spaghetti sauce, but we're gonna be a little extra and do a lasagna. So I'm using the, you can see here, the Tristella ricotta cheese. I think I'm gonna use one. We'll see how we do. And then we're gonna layer my zucchini after every, I guess, layer. So I'm gonna get my sauce ready, and I'm pretty much just going to do layer by layer. So I start off with my sauce, then noodles, then more sauce, zucchinis, ricotta cheese, and more noodles and more sauce. And I really try to get the sauce all over the noodles and especially around the edges, just so make sure the noodles get cooked well through the moisture of the sauce. And then at the top, you want to make sure you put cheese all over. And I ended up doing the cheddar cheese and some Parmesan cheese on top just because I had a little bit left in the fridge, so I wanted to use it up before it goes bad. So there is my lasagna pre-baked. I'm not going to put it in just yet. Like I said, I want to put it in closer to dinner time. It is 3:13 right now, so I probably won't put it in until 4:30, which I think should be fine. So what I'm going to do in the meantime is just clean everything up, finish my lunch, and by then Jackson will wake up, and all I have to do is just put it in the oven, put some garlic bread in, and we are ready to eat. So Jackson ended up eating some steamed broccoli and chicken because we had lots left over. And here is the finished lasagna. We were so hungry, so we already had a bite of it. And my plate with 2 garlic breads. Hey guys, it is now 9 o'clock. I'm in my PJs and I'm gonna make myself a little evening snack. Everybody's asleep. Well, Jackson's asleep and Clark went out to basketball, so I'm gonna make myself a little granola cereal treat. So my cereal is, oh, I don't have a box. Oh, I do. It is this guy, the Harvest Crunch granola in original. So I do that and I mix it with Love Crunch. This one is the dark chocolate and peanut butter, but my favorite one is the dark chocolate and red berries. This is probably the best, but I'm going to try to finish this. So I'll put that in a bowl. Then I'm going to put some chia seeds. Then I'm going to put some blueberries and almond milk. I use, I'm not on any like specific milk diet, but almond milk is just better for me, right? I do this with one hand. Ooh, yeah. So excited for my treat. So I'm going to end the video off here. Thank you so much for joining me on a what me and my little 9-month-old baby eat in a day. If you like more videos like this, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe so you know when to see more videos. And thank you so much for joining me. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.